Excuse me,
Yes? How can I help?
I need a ticket to London.
Sure. One ticket?
Yes, please.
Here is your ticket.
What time is the train?
It leaves at 10 o'clock.
Where is my seat?
Your seat is number 12.
Is this seat free?
No, that is my seat.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
How long is the trip?
About 2 hours.
Do we stop anywhere?
Yes, we stop once.
Excuse me, what time do we arrive?
We will be there in just 5 minutes.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too!